Okay, Bairi. Hello. Are you going to read a book for me?
Yes.
The O book. Okay, open the book. Let's see.
O.
Oh, very good. Open the flap. And there's an oak tree. Very good. Close it. And turn the page. What do we have? Goat. Open the flap. Is that a goat?
Yes.
Very good. Victor, it's Bairi's turn. What's that? Soap. There is the soap. Very good.
Coat.
That is the winter coat. Very good. One more. Foal. What's a foal, Bairi? A little horse, right? A baby horse. Boat. Very good. That's the boat. Perfect. Loaf. What's a loaf? A loaf of bread. Very good. And finally, toast. Toast with jam. Yummy. For you, Victor.
Yes.
Okay.
And for me.
Thank you. Very good, Bairi. High five. Very good. What's that? A bee.
A mouse. And this?
A television. I cannot see, Bairi.
Snake.
The snake. Very good. Thank you, Bairi. Bye bye.